So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. I am back again. We are back. We are back. We are back. Yeah, we're gonna touch on the Reggae Boys U17 team because I don't know the competition kick off. The tournament of the sun is a tournament of the sun kicks off today, and quite interesting details. I'm just gonna list out the squad. I'm gonna name out the squad one, the teams that they will play. I think most of these are general information, but I'm trying to find out if we can identify at least what time, the games them are gonna play, or if them are gonna play live. We don't know yet, but we can see how that gonna. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. Welcome back. I'm very much happy to be back again. Big up on yourself. So first of all, me talk about the U17 now. You see the Reggae Boys U17 team. I have to say this is one of the most prepared team that we've ever had. I can't recall having another prepared team like that. I cannot recall. And if we can say, boy, if me I look into it, me I say, oh, which team, which team me can say, oh, this team really, really prepare like this. I just cannot think of any. This team is well oiled at this present moment. A lot of investment, a lot of time, a lot has been put into this U17 team, and we're looking forward to see what they can do. Now they're going up against some worthy opponent, especially the conditions that they will be under, that they'll be going to play under. These conditions really kind of make you know say it's a good preparation for them, a really really good preparation for them. I would say. But so let me just read into the article. As I said, I'm gonna give you the list already. The Jamaica national U17 football team has been invited by the Mexican Football Federation to participate in the Torneo de Sol tournament. I think it's a tournament of the sun. No. I think that's anyways. Anyways, let me continue. The event scheduled for January 6th, which is today to the 11th, and 2025 will be contested by 16 teams, including the Mexican U17 national team, invited national teams from Trinidad and Tobago, Guatemala, Panama, and clubs from the professional third division. These national teams are going to be really, really good for us to prepare against. Our U17 team, we're playing against our Premier League teams, some of the lower tier major league teams, and stuff. So I do think that they would accustomed to big physical, playing against big physical men at their age. But what they're not accustomed to maybe is the conditions and the speed of play that they will be going up against. So the physical aspect of the game, maybe that is something that they have already been accustomed to. So let me continue. Let me continue where that is concerned. All right. So the tournament this all offers an individual opportunity for U17 Reggae Boys to test their mettle against high caliber opponents as they finalize preparation for the CONCACAF U17 World Cup qualification, set to begin in February 2025 in Guatemala. Young Jamaicans will face Selection South in their opening game. So they play Selection South today. I think that should be around 12 o'clock or 12:30. In the opening game on January 6th before meeting Selection North on January 7th. So basically, they have a rigorous set of games them. Every day they are playing. Well, technically, for all three games will be playing back to back. On January 7th, and the La Liga and the Liga Premier team on January 8th. The team has participated in several intense training camps both in Jamaica and in the USA over the past few months and has gained valuable match experience through five friendly internationals where they won 4 matches and drew 1. Domestically, they have played 7 matches, securing 3 wins and 4 losses. Now, those 4 losses would have come against the Premier League teams like Arnett Garden. They play Arnett Garden, they play Portmore United, they play Cavalier, They have played some tough teams. And I think they play Mount Pleasant as well. So the performance from me I see so far, I think it's good. I think that shows say these youngsters have something to prove. And I was not expecting them to like dismantle the Premier League team. Because if our U17 team I beat up the Premier League team, then boy, you have got to ask some serious questions. I've got to ask some serious questions about the Premier League. But I say go. Anyways, let me continue into the details. Altiman, well, no, not get. I mean, if you get that, well, let me continue. Head coach Altiman Freddie Butler emphasized the importance of this preparation phase as the team approaches the critical stages of their World Cup qualifier campaign. So I think yesterday was the launch of the commission. Yesterday was the launch of the commission. I know we went to represent ourselves well. Critical stages of the World Cup qualifiers campaign. This tournament provides the perfect platform for us to compete against top level national teams, which is crucial as we approach the final stretch of preparation for World Cup qualifiers in Guatemala. Playing at this level would allow us to assess our players in a high pressure environment and make the necessary adjustments as we fine tune our squad, said Butler. Coach Butler already noted, this is quite important, that the squad selection will be done after the end of this tournament. Now let's have a look at the squad. So here are the squad. No, so I should have saved this. Let me save this already. Let me see if I save it. I think I should save. I think I should have this. I'm supposed to have it, man. I'm supposed to have it. And I have it. Images. My sincere apology. Don't worry. Anyways, I do have it, but me I try to put it up on the screen. That me I try. Me I try to put it up on the screen. Anyway, like now got 'em now. Goalkeepers: Justin Murray and John Stedman. Defenders: Jaquan Brown, Demarley Williams, Zenodine McLean, Jabbar Johnson, Kai Anthony McLean, Kieran Smith, Alexander White. Those are defenders. Midfielders: Owen Jump, Javon Anglin, Aiden McFarlane, Adriano Marsh, Dario White, Earl Dennis, Naran Allen, Oscar Dawes. Forward: Giovanni Taylor, Raquan Campbell Dennis, Aurel Miller, Seymour Garfield Reed, Nemani McNamee Burke, Axel Grimard, and Jamari Nolan. Nice. Quite a nice lineup. A lot of these youngsters would have seen them play in the schoolboy football competition. Some of them are from overseas though. But not a bad lineup. Not a bad lineup. Quite interesting to see how they're gonna do. I don't have any information regarding um time or if the game gonna play live. I have no. Well, I think the first match is 12:30. But the issue me I have is I don't know. I really don't know if the game are gonna play live. I don't know if it's gonna air live. That's the interesting one for me still. That's the interesting one for me still. I hope, really hope. I would love to see the game, but we'll see how this one materializes. Anyways, I think that should be it, people. I think that should be it. Let's move to bam. I think that should be it. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Big up on yourself, youths. Go out there, do the work. Freddy, big up yourself. Massive respect, Freddy. And put in the work, Let's see how the youth them can present yourself. For me, expectations, I want to see performance. That's what I want. And I go say with a beat up. No, I want to see the as if I will be able to see. But I prefer this is a good opportunity for the youth them to go out and put in a performance. The conditions are totally rigorous based off of the air, all that kind of stuff, the altitude. These things are big factors. So let's see if the youths can adapt to it. Let's see if they can work train in the condition there. It'll be really good for them because I'm like really fit, super fit actually, super fit. But let's see how the one will go. So put in a performance, representing yourself really well, and I'll see you guys again. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and MG Sports TV. Here we're out. God bless. Boom. I mean, peace out. Yo! Old people.